I was sent these dishwasher cleaning tablets, and I'm gonna show you the inside as good as I can so that we can get a real before and after. But before I do that, this is what the tablets look like. They're actually each individually wrapped. It kind of reminds me of like a dinner mint, doesn't it? You're gonna put it right where you put the detergent. Obviously take it out of the wrapper first, and then just run it on a normal cycle. So let's check it out. Okay, the before. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and then the step was really simple. Put it there, close it up, and run it. Here it goes. I'll show you the after in just a little bit. And after. Ooh, it's actually pretty shiny. Okay, pull that out. Nice and warm in here too. Makes it look so nice and clean. These are awesome.